So in this video, you will learn what to expect and how to prepare on day one for your foundation repairs. The day is here. Your project team will be out at your property to fix your cracking sloping home. But what happens on day one? What do you need to do? We will go over everything on day one of the repairs so everyone is prepared. So typically our crews work Monday through Friday and will arrive on site around 8 a.m. and start packing up their equipment by 4 or 5 in the afternoon. Before we leave, we always cover up all excavations and we never leave tools on site. Our crews strictly adhere to the safety regulations and work hard to ensure a safe job site. You do not have to be home during the installation, but we request, however, that you meet our very nice foreman on the first day so that they can introduce themselves and do a quick walk around and go through the repair plan for your property. There's going to be some noise, especially on the first day of excavation with the use of the jackhammers, the hydraulic pumps, and other equipment. Okay, so our foremen have a pretty good idea of the expected noise level on day-to-day basis, so please feel free to ask them what each day noise level will look like. Buildertrend is going to be your best friend when it comes to your project. It's where you pay, look over your project, see updates and the process of your repair, including day-to-day notes and photos. Questions do come up, and if you have any, please check our Buildertrend account, talk to your project design specialist or your foreman. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to never settle on anything in life.